Hello, what's up everyone? Big Mike Chassis here today, and today I'm going to call a veterinarian to see if I can get an appointment with my cats. This is being recorded just to let you know. Anyways, please enjoy the video, and obviously no brainer, some parts will be edited or cut out. Personal information. That is a no-brainer. That's a duh. But let's get on with the call. This is my second attempt at calling these guys. Let's see. Let's start the insanity, as Jerry Seinfeld says.
Office hours during COVID-19 from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and Fridays from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you're calling during regular office hours, we're unable to take your call. Please leave a message at the sound of the tone. If this is an emergency and you're calling after office hours, please contact the Veterinary Emergency Clinic at 416-920-2002 or Toronto Companion Animal 416-380-7400. rah@simpatico.ca. Have a wonderful day.
Hi, darling. I'm calling for the second time. I'm just wondering if I could schedule an appointment for my cats. They are 8 weeks and they need their vaccine and other stuff. If you could please call me at 6. It's regarding 2 kittens that will need their vaccine. They are 8 weeks old, and I'm just wondering what your price range is, anything like that. And I'm still looking around. All right, just want to know. Hope all is well. Take care. Bye. So that is the second time I have called them, and they have not responded. So, I don't know what to do, guys. Anyways, peace. If you liked the video, let me know. Bye.